Hi everyone, welcome to the day 11 of our Power BI training. So today we are going to cover some really useful intermediate features of Power BI. So we will be covering today the conditional formatting, hierarchies and drill down, and the page navigation using the buttons. So let's get started. Starting with the conditional formatting. So first, let's look at conditional formatting, and for that, let me go to a detailed report. So let's say, or let me go to a table view. So I'll create a table view for you. So this is our table visual, and we can add the region, the total sales. Again, if I want to add the product, also I'll add the product, or I'll add the date, or else sales ID. Let's add a date only. Okay. Now I want it to be conditional formatted. Like I want the total sales to be conditional formatted. So I'll just right click on the sales, and here we can see conditional formatting. We'll go to the background color or the font color or the data bars. So we'll go to the background colors this time. So we'll keep the value as rules. So here the rules are, if total sales value is greater than or equals to, so let's say for our case, if it is greater than or equals to 2000 number and less than 5000, then we will keep it as green. Now we have to add one more rule. If the value is greater than equals to 1000 and less than 2000, then we will keep it as yellow. In the last rule, if it is greater than equals to 0 and less than 1000, then we can keep it as, say, red. I'll just click on OK. And now you can see how easily we added the conditional formatting for the total sales for each product. So let's say here these are in the green, so we can say it is selling very well on that particular date. But in this particular date, it is very less, and the cells are shaded with the green, red, and yellow colors. So you can create the rules just by clicking on the conditional formatting options. Now let's explore the hierarchies and drill downs. So in the field pane, I will drag the year, month, and date together. So just a second. Let me create a visual first. So let's create a bar chart. So in the x-axis, I'll drag the, and now I'll add the total sales in the y-axis. So as of now, our visual is looking total sales by year. So as I said, we have to here we can see the date is in the hierarchy, which is showing the year, the quarter, the month, and the day as well. We can change it to the normal date as well, but as of now, we have to see the hierarchy, what things we can do with the help of hierarchies and how we can create the drill downs. So this is a column chart, and here I just want, so as of now the sales we are able to see as yearly sales. I want to see the quarter wise sales, so I just need to go to the next level of hierarchy, which was the quarter. So I just drill down it to the quarter. So first was the year, So I drill down it to the quarter. So quarter wise, we can see the sales. If I drill down to the next level, so month wise, we can see the sales. If I drill down to the next level, so day wise, we can see the sales. So this allows us to explore the same data across different time levels without creating the separate visuals. So we can also create a region or a product hierarchy, and that way I can start with sales by region. Let's say let me create a sales by region. Instead of date, I just added region here, and right here, if we want to, so I'll just right click. I'll create a hierarchy for region. I get given the hierarchy here. Then I have to add the product here. So I will add the product. So here, so region and product hierarchy is showing. Just I can just change from region to the product with the help of the drill down buttons. So this is a very great way of changing the single visual to different categories. Now let's talk about the page navigations and with the help of buttons. So let's say in the page one, before to that I will add one more another page, which will be our index page. Kind of. So in this index page, what things we can add? We can add some uh, like text boxes where we can describe about our solution, our dashboards. So let's say we can add, so we have a dashboard which is covering the sales analytics, and it is having two important report pages or dashboard pages, the overview and detailed report. Like that, we can add some text. We can have now here, if I just want to go to that particular dashboard from this page only, so we can create some page navigation buttons. So here in the top, in the insert option, you can see the buttons. So I'll just add a blank button. I'll name it as the overview page. I can customize my text as well. So again, by selecting this button, we have to on this actions, and we have to select the page navigation from the actions, and we have to assign the destination. So as of now, for our case, I think the destination is page second. Yes, correct. So I'll just change it to overview. So here you can see just by clicking on this button, I will directly come to the overview page. Similarly, we can create for the detail page, detail report, or else we can just add an image. As of now, let me check. Do I have any image which I can use? So there is one image. I'll add this image. So this image also we can set up the action for the page navigation, and we can select the detail report. So if I click on this, I will directly come to the detail report. So with the help of buttons, we can create so many actions. So the actions which we have, the back button, the bookmarks, the drill through options, page navigations, the Q&A, that question and answer. We can add a web URL. We can add two other features, which is like apply all the slicers or clear all the slicers. So these are the different actions we can do with the help of the buttons. So in today's session, we learned three important intermediate features like conditional formatting, hierarchies and drill down, and the page navigation with the buttons. So we have to implement these when we want our dashboard to look more interactive, and this will help the user to quickly fetch the desired result as they want. So that's all for day 11. So in the next session we will move into the more advanced features. So thank you. Bye bye.